In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write better Excel formulas with an AI prompt. Let's get started. First, open Excel and pull up the workbook you want to work with. For this example, we're going to add a new commission column in column F that pays 10% of the amount, but only when the status is paid and the region is north. Everything else should return 0. Click cell F1 and type the header for the new column. Type the word commission. Now press enter and your cursor will jump down to F2, ready for the formula. Next, switch over to your browser tab on ChatGPT.com. Click the message box at the bottom of the page so it's active and ready for input. Now we're going to write a structured prompt that gives ChatGPT everything it needs to produce the right formula. Paste the following prompt into ChatGPT. The prompt explains that you're working in Microsoft Excel and lists every column. Column A is order ID. Column B is customer. Column C is region, with values north, south, east, or west. Column D is amount, which is a number. Column E is status, with values paid or unpaid. The prompt also states that the headers are in row 1, the data starts in row 2, and the last row is 11. Then it describes the rule. You want a formula for column F that calculates a 10% commission on amount, but only when status is paid and region is north. Otherwise, return 0. The prompt also asks for the exact cell formula that can be pasted into F2 and dragged down, using standard Excel functions that work in Excel 2016 or later, with a brief explanation of the logic. Once the prompt is in place, press enter to send it. There are 4 things that make this prompt strong. First, it names the tool and version. Second, it lists every column and what values appear in each one. Third, it states the rule in plain English with explicit and logic. And fourth, it says exactly which cell the formula goes in, so the references are correct. Wait for ChatGPT to finish replying. You should see a formula similar to equals if, open parenthesis, and, open parenthesis, E2 equals quote, paid quote, comma, C2 equals quote, north quote, close parenthesis, comma, D2 times 0.1, comma, 0, close parenthesis. Now let's get this formula into Excel. Hover over the formula inside ChatGPT's response, and click the Copy Code button in the top right corner of the code block. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Switch back to Excel and click cell F2. Press Ctrl+V to paste the formula into the cell, then press Enter to commit it. Click cell F2 again to reselect it. Look at the bottom right corner of the cell, where you'll see a small green square. This is called the fill handle. Double-click that fill handle and Excel will automatically copy the formula down through row 11. Now check the results. The rows where region is north and status is paid, which are order numbers 101, 105, and 07, should show values of 85, 65, and 92. Every other row should display 0. The formula works, and you never had to look up the AND function syntax yourself. To recap the result, column F now contains an AI-generated commission formula that respects 2 conditions and returns 0 for non-qualifying rows, all produced from a single plain English prompt. The takeaway is that a good Excel formula prompt includes 4 things. First, the Excel version. Second, the column layout with sample values. Third, the rule in plain English. And fourth, the target cell where the formula will live. Whenever the output isn't quite right, iterate with short follow-up messages to refine it, rather than rewriting the whole prompt from scratch. That way you keep the context intact and let ChatGPT adjust just the part that needs work. And that's how you write better Excel formulas with an AI prompt.